Ladies and gentlemen, welcome into Marina Damak MR. Guys, this is the place so amazing here in Dubai, and also very silent road. And then this place here, so much people. Something morning they'll go a jogging exercise because you see this water and behind there. This is water from the sea, and then very good for our health and take jogging every in the morning. And also it's very nice. The building here and the yacht. This is the yacht. They take people to right from the waters go over there in the BGR beach, and then also they have more people here in Dubai Marina to get a successfully about business. I guess why the people they got a business successfully because God they will give ability, they give the brain to think to become how to become successfully, and that's why people they become so amazing our life because about faith. If you don't have a faith more to God, you cannot easy to think how to become successful, and they cannot easy to think to become have idea to everything or whatever you like in your future. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video.